Most of the doors that are going in Minnesota homes are fiberglass right now. With fiberglass, you can get the wood look, or you can get a painted look without some of the issues that steel doors have, or wood doors. In the past, steel doors were very popular, but they conduct heat and cold through them, and you're really limited on the design. You couldn't get a stained look on your door. With the fiberglass technology that they have now, you can get a door put in that looks just like a wood door, but is better insulated and is going to perform better than wood. So fiberglass doesn't conduct heat and cold like steel does. It holds the finish, whatever finish you put on there, because it doesn't expand and contract like steel and like wood does.